Hello, this is Dragon. Today I'm going to talk about Kajabi mobile app. What it is it can teach you pretty much anything about any subject, and all you gotta do is download the app. It's available on Apple Play Store and Google Play Store. You can learn coding, marketing, expand your career path. Okay, let's see. The pricing for the Kajabi is, if you want to do premium level, $119 a month. Growth level, $159, $319 per month for the Pro Advanced. You get to learn learn 3 products, 3 pipelines, landing pages, marketing emails, contacts, active members, 1 website, 1 admin user. And then let's see, with university, there's no transaction fee. They have webinars, events, ready-to-use template, assessment, quizzes, and support, chat support, automation. The advanced part, they also have affiliate program, so you can make some money off it. Let's see about their affiliate program. Yes. 24/7 hour support. Detailed training so you can master Kajabi power tools and be better at your growing your business. So it pretty much help employees and businesses improve their marketing and knowledge about certain specific topics. See, doesn't have a affiliate program. I think you have to pay for that in order to access the affiliate program, so you can make. So they give you about 14-day free trial. They have products, website, payments, email, pages, analytics, people, mobile. Those are the type of services that help for your businesses. Yeah, their payment methods are Stripe and PayPal. Okay, it's really easy to set up. Stripe may be their own payment app. They don't take a cut, okay? So 100% revenue is all yours. Okay, got some reviews on it. Premium at the pricing. Okay. Let's see what the demo has to say. Let's see what the demo is. Webinar product. So there's up. What is pretty much for their website. You can create it, and with their program, they label everything for you. It's kind of similar to Wix, but Wix you have to do everything yourself. Like, okay, choose a color, type it out, grab some pictures from the internet, download, all that stuff. Well, for them, they have everything ready for you. You just search it, put it on your website, put detailed information. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment down below what you think about this video, and share this video with everybody so they can know about Kajabi. And it's free learning for about 14-day trial. And I hope to see you guys next time. Goodbye.